Hello, hi guys. How are you? Hope you all are doing great, fit and fine. This is my second vlog. आप लोगों ने मेरा पहला vlog जो देखा होगा that was in the starting of our lockdown and I was talking about कि किस तरीके से हम अपना lockdown वाला period efficiently use कर सकते हैं. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि अभी तक पैंडमिक ओवर नहीं हुआ है एंड सिचुएशन इज़ रियली बैड हमारी स्पेशली इंडिया में. सो स्टार्टिंग के लॉकडाउन पीरियड में वी आर डिसाइडेड दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गो होम, क्योंकि घर में काफ़ी सारे बड़े लोग हैं जिनको कुछ ना कुछ माइनर मेजर इश्यूज़ है और हमारी वजह से किसी को कुछ इन्फेक्शन नहीं हो जाए इन केस इफ़ यू आर एसिम्प्टोमेटिक. And we knew that it's going to take very long, so we used to keep talking to them, video call karte the, making them feel safe, that we are also safe, you guys also be safe, ghar mein raho, don't go out. So that's how it went. My father-in-law, he resides in Jodhpur, so he is a very fit person. वो उनका हमेशा से एक सेट रूटीन रहा है फॉर द लास्ट और 30 years, जिसमें ही वेक्स अप एट 5 in the morning, गोज़ फॉर हिज वर्कआउट्स, गोज़ टू प्ले गोल्फ, देन आते हैं अपना काम पर जाते हैं, शाम को आफ्टर ही गेट्स फ्री ही टेक्स हिज 2 स्कॉच का पैक एंड आराम से 10:30-11 ही स्लीप्स ऑफ. वेरी फिट, कुछ अंडरलाइन हेल्थ इश्यूज़ नहीं हैं एंड वेरी एनर्जेटिक. So on the 11th of July, my mother-in-law had called us and she's like कि पापा को तो या बुखार आ गया है और थोड़ी काफ़ी उनको dry cough हो रहा है. So we were like okay fine, it's just a seasonal flu, it will go off. But then 12th को भी there was no improvement, and since he's never fallen sick, no one has ever seen him sick, not even his wife has seen him sick. So he doesn't have a habit of taking medicines. So he doesn't like to take medicines. He doesn't know how to take medicines. It's tough for some people. So he was like कि नहीं ऐसे ही हो जाएगा, ठीक हो जाएगा. So he didn't take any medicines for the couple of few days. 13th को it became really bad. 103 बुखार हो गया था, but the oxygen level was still 95. So yeah, we told that चलो कोविड टेस्ट तो कराना ही है. So he went with one of his cousins to get the COVID test done and दोनों का हो गया. Now we all were waiting for the reports. Meanwhile we were here obviously in Gurgaon and we were like कि चलो नहीं ठीक है, reports आ जाएंगी, it will be all negative, don't worry. But then he was continuously having bad cough and fever उनका जा नहीं रहा था. Oxygen level was still 95. It didn't go below 95. We were like नहीं चलो ठीक है, it's just it's a seasonal flu, nothing will happen. 17th को his cousin's report came and it came negative, but his report didn't come. But we are still like कि अगर उनकी negative आई है and since he was with him तो हो सकता है पापा की भी negative ही हो. But there was no improvement in his health. उनका I would say that 18th onwards उनके oxygen levels भी drop होने शुरू हो गए थे. It were like 94, 93. And people back home, thankfully we have all our extended family and friends over there, that they were like कि इनको admit करना पड़ेगा. But reports नहीं आई अभी तक and we don't know who to show to the doctor and where to get him admit. It was like क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. We had to act fast. So सबसे पहले तो फैमिली डॉक्टर से वी हैड स्पोकन एंड ही गेव रेगुलर वायरल वाली मेडिसिन, अजिथ्रोमाइसिन, पैरासिटामॉल, देन विटामिन बी, विटामिन सी, जिंक, जो कि नॉर्मल कोरोना पेशेंट्स को भी दी जाती है, यही दवाइयाँ. सो now he doesn't know how to take medicines, he doesn't like to take medicines. So mama was struggling really hard कि भाई दवाई ले ले, he's not taking. 18th को people were like कि नहीं admit करना है, but then he did not want to go to the hospital because he was not confident enough. एक तो इतना ज़्यादा negative news है सब जगह कि भाई उनसे मिलने नहीं दे रहे हैं, उनके साथ उनको आइसोलेशन में रख रहे हैं, ऑक्सीजन पता नहीं चढ़ा रहे हैं नहीं चढ़ा रहे हैं, लोग ऐसे ही लोगों के साथ में काफ़ी कुछ हो रहा है. So he was not confident and was very scared. Plus we weren't also there, so we decided to just rush to Jodhpur on the 19th and we reached well in time afternoon mein. And trust me guys, he was lying there on the bed I haven't seen him like this, because he's a very energetic person. Whenever we are back home, he just gets so excited and he's like, "Ye, bachche ghar pe aa gaye." But that was a horrific scene. He was lying on the bed, breathing very heavily, not able to open his eyes, not able to say any word, and it was bad. Meanwhile, thankfully, ऐसे कंप्लेन करके है, कुछ कुछ करके हम लोगों ने रिपोर्ट्स निकलवाई एंड द रिपोर्ट थी पॉजिटिव. His oxygen levels were 92, 93. Fever was 101 degrees. The team had come घर पर, and since so we were like कि अभी immediate इनको admit कराना है नहीं कराना है, because Papa was also not comfortable, and the doctors were like ठीक है 90 के नीचे नहीं गया है अभी oxygen level, so let's just be hopeful that it'll improve. So we were like ठीक है. But then the battle started. Now we had to separate everyone. Thankfully, our grandparents don't live in the same house. So उस तरह से we were like कि हाँ चलो अच्छा है, they are not there. But Mama is there, who is a high BP patient. Then there's house help. And we were like कि अब we have to be very careful that कोई और किसी को infection नहीं होना चाहिए, otherwise things are going to get worse. So सबसे पहले we separated him. But then he was so weak, guys. He was so weak that, he was not even able to get up. So we had to help him out. But we were very careful with, using the mask, using the gloves, using the shield, whatever we can. उनसे दवाई नहीं ली जा रही थी. So we had to crush it and mix it with water and sugar and give it to him. Still, he was like, उनसे खाना नहीं खाया जा रहा था because fever इतना ज़्यादा था उनसे. पूरे time he was like breathing so heavily, and it was very scary. We decided on the 20th night that no matter what he says, we have to get him admit tomorrow morning. And like it was 20th ka raat only, 3:30 in the morning, and Mama shouted, "Please come fast, he's not able to breathe, he's not able to breathe." We rushed down, फटाफट oximeter उनके finger में लगा के देखा, and the oxygen levels were 87, 88, 87, and we were like, what is happening? फटाफट, thankfully, all the friends and the family members who were there on one phone call. I'm so thankful to all of you guys that आप लोगों ने इतनी मुसीबत में, you were there on your feet all this while. फटाफट, then the ambulance came. Luckily, we got the bed in AIMS, and we admitted him in AIMS, and oxygen support उनको तुरंत दिया गया. Doctors were like कि आप थोड़ा सा भी और लेट करते तो हो सकता था कि वेंटिलेटर पे चढ़ाना पड़ता. But then there were like 6 people in the hospital room, and no one was as bad as him. And then we were like कि चलो ठीक है, अब ठीक हो जाएंगे. Now for 14 days तो we couldn't obviously go see him. So उनके पास में हम फ़ोन तो था. So we were like कि जैसे ही ठीक होंगे he'll definitely call us, he'll definitely video call something to us. उनके हॉस्पिटल बैग में हम लोगों ने थोड़े से ड्राई फ्रूट्स जो भी घर पर थे वो पैक करके डाल दिए थे कि पता नहीं खाना, will he be able to eat that food or not. So yeah, that was also one good decision, because he was actually not able to eat for the initial days. Yes, so the 23rd of July, then he had called, video call kiya tha, and we were like, wow, he's getting better. On and off oxygen supports hain, but then he's getting better. 25th ko he was shifted into the asymptomatic ward, and there he was like कि AIMS में people are really nice, the doctors are really taking good care of everyone, we've been fed every few hours, and it's a hats off to all the doctors who are on their feet all in the entire pandemic. So yes, that was a bit of relief. Meanwhile, हम लोगों ने हमारे टेस्ट करवा दिए. Thankfully, everyone was negative, but still we were home quarantine. घर को पूरा एक एक कोना अच्छे से दिवाली की सफाई जैसे पूरा सैनिटाइज करवाया. वी ट्राई टू फिगर इट आउट कि कहाँ से इन्फेक्शन आया है, बट देन वी weren't able to. It's clearly a community spread. It's going, never know, it's there right in front of you. Just have to be careful, guys, because it is not, obviously for the patients it's traumatizing, but for everyone related to the patient, because it is so much of negative news, negativity around in the media that क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, and which to an extent that's true also कि भाई हाँ लोगों के साथ में ऐसे हादसे हो रहे हैं. I wanted to say that positive हादसे भी हो रहे हैं, so just don't lose hope. Be very alert, be very smart, don't lose hope, be very safe, stop putting your hands on your face all the time. अगर आपके घर में elders है, they don't listen to us, they like कि नहीं हम जानते हैं better, but just be careful कि उनके वहाँ तक infection नहीं पहुँचे, because it is actually very bad. There was one point when when Dada is being taken to the hospital in the ambulance, and Dadu sa since he's not living there, and उनके साथ में जब वो वीडियो कॉल कर रहे थे, और वो इतना इमोशनल मोमेंट when Dada was like that, he wants to cry or he wants to hug Dadu sa, but then he's so scared whether what will happen once he's back in the hospital, once he's in the hospital. देन लाइक दूसरे जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं दादी साहब, वो कार से ही उनको देख रहे हैं, everyone's crying and it's bad, it's traumatizing. So please be careful, and all I want to say is that there are good things happening also. Just don't lose hope. Is fit and fine, back to his normal routine. एंड काफ़ी खाने का भी हम लोगों ने बहुत ध्यान रखा. ही वॉज ऑन अ वेरी टाइट शेड्यूल, ही इज़ ऑन अ वेरी टाइट शेड्यूल अबाउट हिज ईटिंग हैबिट्स, एंड सो yes, no alcohol for a while, obviously, but we're very proud of him that very bravely he fought and he came back. We're going to make a certificate and just put it on his wall that yes, he's a COVID fighter. And he just wanted to say a few things. He didn't want to come on the camera, but he wanted to say that किसी को भी कभी भी हो सकता है. It's you cannot escape from it if you're not very careful. So be safe. And yes, he used to think कि 2 पैक मारने से कोरोना नहीं होता है, but no, that's a myth. कभी भी किसी को भी हो सकता है. And yes, अगर कुछ भी आप लोगों को कुछ भी डाउट्स हैं, कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, सो प्लीज़ आप कमेंट सेक्शन में नीचे पूछ सकते हैं. डू लाइक माई चैनल, डू सब्सक्राइब इट, एंड आई विल ट्राई बी एज इन्फॉर्मेटिव एज आई कैन फॉर द कमिंग व्लॉग्स. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ पे भी व्लॉग करूँ, यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो. ओके, बाय गाइज, बी सेफ, बी वेरी सेफ.